In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload file and get shareable link in Google Drive. By the end, you'll have a file uploaded to Google Drive and a shareable link you can paste into an email, message, or document so others can access it. First, click New, then choose File Upload. On the Google Drive page, look to the top left corner for the New button. Click it to open the menu, then click File Upload. This opens your computer's file picker so you can choose exactly what you want to upload. Next, select the file, then click Open. In the file picker window, navigate to where your file is saved. Click once to select it and then click Open. You'll see an upload status appear in the bottom right of Google Drive. Wait until the progress bar completes and you see that the upload is finished. If the file is large, give it a moment to process. That's normal. Now, right-click the uploaded file. Find the file you just uploaded in your drive. You can use the recent view on the left if needed, but the file should also appear in the main list or grid. Point to the file, then right-click to open the options menu. This menu controls how you share and manage the file. Next, click Get Link. In the right-click menu, look for the option labeled Get Link and click it. A sharing panel opens on the screen. This is where you generate the Google Drive shareable link that you can send to others. From here, set anyone with the link. In the sharing panel, locate the section that shows link access. Change it from restricted to anyone with the link. This setting means anyone who has the link can open the file without needing to request access or sign in. Yes, if you're sharing broadly, this is the simplest setting to prevent permission errors. If you see a drop-down next to the access level, simply make sure it's set to anyone with the link. Take a second to confirm the correct file is shown at the top of the panel so you're sharing the right item. This step changes only the link access for this file and does not affect your other files. Once that's done, click Copy Link. The sharing panel displays a link field with the full URL. Click Copy Link to copy it to your clipboard. You won't see the link change visually, but you'll get a small confirmation that it's copied. You can now paste this link anywhere you need it, such as an email, chat, document, or form. If you paste it into a browser, you'll see it opens the file directly with the access you just set. At this point, your upload is complete and the shareable link is ready to use. You clicked New and File Upload, selected your file, and clicked Open. Right-clicked the uploaded file, clicked Get Link, set anyone with the link, and clicked Copy Link. That's the entire process. Your Google Drive file is now uploaded, and the shareable link is copied to your clipboard and ready to share. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.